Welcome, Chemistry 1B, Unit 4, Video Example 3. This example is very similar to Video Example 2. The only thing that changes is the solvent. Previously we used water, now we're using carbon tetrachloride. And the density of this solution is obviously changed. So we can do exactly the same thing as we've done before, where we need to find the molality and the molarity. First, we find the molality, knowing that we have the molar mass. Again, this is the molar mass of iodine. Okay, and then we know the formula for calculating molality, and we know that we have 500 grams of solution, which is, this should be kilograms here. Okay, so this is 0.5 kgs of solution. Okay, and we simply then solve, and we get the same answer as we got before, even though the solvent is the same, because remember that the molality depends only on the solute. Doesn't really, the different types of solvent doesn't make a difference because we're only working on the mass of the solvent. We're not working on the solvent type. You will see that the molarity calculation will be different because the density of the solution is different. Okay, so to do the molarity calculation, we have the density given to us. Remember, I've said to you in the previous example that your density is very important when calculating molarity. Okay, so we need to find the molarity, okay, from this 25.38 grams of iodine. Okay, we know, again, we know the molar mass. All right, so that's the molar mass. We know the molarity is also not correct here. This is moles of solute per liter of solvent. So this is volume based. So this is liter of solvent or solution. Okay, and we also then know that we've got, again, this is, we don't really need this information in terms of the this is not correct. Please make your correction to your slides. And we know that the total mass is the mass of iodine plus the mass of the carbon tetrachloride, which is 525.38 grams of solution. We can then go ahead and solve the problem exactly as we did before. So we take the mass of the solute, which is the iodine. We multiply it by the molar mass so that we cancel the grams and we're left with moles of iodine. Okay, we need to multiply by the grams of solution in this case, okay, because this is moles per total number of grams per solution. Okay, then we need to multiply by the density so that we get rid of the grams and convert it into a mole per unit volume. All right, but we need to convert these milliliters to liters, so we have to multiply by 1000 to get the answer in mole per liter. You can see if you look here, we've got moles on the top and we've got liters on the bottom, and if we solve the problem, we end up seeing that the molarity of this solution with a higher density is 0.303 molar.